Selena, Class 10, Chapter 14, Equation of a Line. Sum number 9. In triangle ABC, A equal to 3, 5, B equal to 7, 8, and C equal to 1 minus 10. Find the equation of the median through A. The vertices of triangle ABC are A 3, 5, B 7, 8, and C 1 minus 10. The coordinates of midpoint, let it be D of BC equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2 equal to 7 plus 1 upon 2, 8 minus 10 upon 2 equal to 4 minus 1. Slope of line AD equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to minus 1 minus 5 upon 4 minus 3 equal to minus 6 upon 1 equal to minus 6. Now, the equation of median is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the values. Y minus 5 equal to minus 6 into x minus 3. Y minus 5 equal to minus 6x plus 18. 6x plus y equal to 23. Sum number 10. The following figure shows a parallelogram ABCD whose side AB is parallel to x-axis. Angle A is 60 degree and C is 7, 5. Find the equation of BC and CD. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Angle B equal to 180 minus 60, 120 degree. Slope of BC equal to tan 120 equal to tan 90 plus 30 equal to cot 30 equal to root 3. Equation of line BC is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 5 equal to root 3 into x minus 7. Y minus 5 equal to root 3x minus 7 root 3. Y equal to root 3x plus 5 minus 7 root 3. Since CD is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to x-axis, slope of CD equal to slope of AB equal to 0. Equation of line CD is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 5 equal to 0 into x minus 7. Y equal to 5. Sum number 11. Find the equation of the straight line passing through origin and the point of intersection of line x plus 2y equal to 7 and x minus y equal to 4. First we will find the point of intersection. X plus 2y equal to 7, x minus y equal to 4. Change the sign, x will get cancelled. Plus 2 plus 1, 3y equal to 3. Y equal to 1. Substitute in equation 2 we get x minus 1 equal to 4. X equal to 5. So point of intersection is 5, 1. The required line passes through 0, 0 and 5, 1. Slope of the line equal to 1 minus 0 upon 5 minus 0 equal to 1 upon 5. Required equation of the line is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 0 equal to 1 upon 5 into x minus 0. 5y equal to x means x minus 5y equal to 0. Sum number 12. In triangle ABC, the coordinates of vertices A, B and C are 4, 7, minus 2, 3 and 0, 1 respectively. Find the equation of median through vertex A. Also find the equation of the line through vertex B and parallel to AC. Given. The coordinates of vertices A, B and C of triangle ABC are 4, 7, minus 2, 3 and 0, 1 respectively. Let AD be the median through vertex A. Therefore, coordinates of point D is midpoint of BC, are minus 2 plus 0 upon 2, 3 plus 1 upon 2 equal to minus 1, 2. Slope of AD is equal to 2 minus 7 upon minus 1 minus 4 equal to minus 5 upon minus 5 equal to 1. The equation of median is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 2 equal to 1 into x plus 1, y minus 2 equal to x plus 1, y equal to x plus 3. The slope of the line which is parallel to line AC will be equal slope to the AC. So slope of AC equal to 1 minus 7 upon 0 minus 4 equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon minus 4 equal to 3 upon 2. The equation of the line which is parallel to AC and passes through point B is given by y minus 3 equal to 3 upon 2 x plus 2, 2y minus 6 equal to 3x plus 6, 2y equal to 3x plus 12. Sum number 13. A, B and C are coordinates 0, 3, 4, 4 and 8, 0 respectively. Find the equation of the line through A and perpendicular to BC. First we will find slope of BC and then the line perpendicular and slope BC, their both product will be minus 1. Slope of BC equal to 0 minus 4 upon 8 minus 4 equal to minus 4 upon 4 minus 1. Slope of line perpendicular to the BC equal to minus 1 upon slope of BC equal to minus 1 upon 1, 1. Equation of the line passing through A and perpendicular to BC is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 3 equal to 1 into x minus 0, y minus 3 equal to x, y equal to x plus 3. Sum number 14. Find the equation of the perpendicular drop from the point minus 1, 2 onto the line joining the point 1, 4 and 2, 3. Let A equal to 1, 4, B equal to 2, 3 and C equal to minus 1, 2. Slope of AB equal to 3 minus 4 upon 2 minus 1 equal to minus 1. Slope of line perpendicular to AB equal to minus 1 upon slope of AB equal to minus 1 upon minus 1 equal to 1. The equation of equation of the perpendicular drawn from C on AB is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 2 equal to 1 into x plus 1, y minus 2 equal to x plus 1, y equal to x plus 3. Sum number 15. Find the equation of the line whose first part x-intercept equal to 5 and y-intercept equal to 3. When x-intercept equal to 5, corresponding points on x-axis is 5, 0. When x-intercept equal to 3, corresponding points on y-axis equal to 0, 3. Let x1, y1, 5, 0, x2, y2, 0, 3. Slope equal to 3 minus 0 upon 0 minus 5 equal to minus 3 upon 5. The required equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 0 equal to minus 3 upon 5 into x minus 5, 5y equal to minus 3x plus 15, 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Part 2. X-intercept equal to minus 4 and y-intercept equal to 6. When x-intercept equal to minus 4, the corresponding points on x-axis is minus 4, 0. When y-intercept equal to 6, the corresponding points on y-axis equal to 0, 6. Let x1, y1 equal to minus 4, 0 and x2, y2 equal to 0, 6. Slope equal to 6 minus 0 upon 0 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 6 upon 4 equal to 3 upon 2. The required equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 0 equal to 3 upon 2 into x plus 4. 2y equal to 3x plus 12. Part 3. X-intercept equal to minus 8 and y-intercept equal to minus 4. When x-intercept equal to minus 8, corresponding points on x-axis is minus 8, 0. When y-intercept equal to minus 4, corresponding point on y-axis is 0, minus 4. Let x1, y1 be minus 8, 0 and x2, y2 be 0, minus 4. Slope equal to minus 4 minus 0 upon 0 plus 8 equal to minus 4 upon 8 equal to minus 1 upon 2. The required equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 0 equal to minus half into x plus 8. 2y equal to minus x minus 8. X plus 2y plus 8 equal to 0.